When it comes to technical indicators, there is a lot of hype around complicated tools and fancy systems. But the truth is, you don't need dozens of indicators on your screen. You need one reliable tool and the right approach. Hi, I'm Alexander, a professional trader with over 6 years of experience, and today I will show you how I use one of my favorite indicators, MACD, to catch precise entries in real market conditions. No guessing, no chasing signals, just clear logic, strong confirmation, and real trading discipline. And if you want daily trading setups, proven strategies, and my live trade breakdowns, make sure to join my Telegram channel. Over 70,000 traders are already there, learning and growing together. You will find the link in the pinned comment and description. Let's open the charts and dive into it. So everything is ready to go. Charts are clear. MACD is loaded with default settings 12, 26, and 9. I'll be working on 30-second time frame today, perfect for short-term trading and quick reactions to signals. The pairs I'm watching is Australian dollar, United States dollar, Australian dollar, franc, AUD, NZD, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, Euro, USD, Great British Pound, USD, Japanese Yen, and USD franc. Now I'm focusing on MACD crossovers and price action around key levels. The goal is simple: clean entries with strong confirmation. So let's start analyzing the market. Starting with Euro USD, this pair is moving sideways, but MACD lines are coming closer and I see a possible crossover forming below the zero line. I'm watching the candles for a decisive move. There it is, a bullish candle breakout above the short-term resistance with a fresh MACD crossover. That's my confirmation. I'm entering an up trade here. Why this setup? Bullish crossover on MACD below zero, breakout candle and resistance, EMA confirming upward momentum. I'm holding the position, no adjustments needed. The trade closes in profit. That's how patience and confirmation work together. So switching over to United States dollar, Japanese yen, I see a clean downtrend on the chart with MACD hovering below zero. I'm watching for a bearish crossover to confirm continuation. Waiting for the right candle. Here it comes, bearish engulfing candle right as MACD lines cross again downward. I'm entering a down trade. Why now? Bearish MACD crossover is downtrend, strong bearish candle on the chart, EMA clearly following the price downward. Trade closes in profit. That's why I always stick to confirmation before making a move. Now let's check Great British Pound and United States dollar. The price is testing a strong resistance level, and MACD lines are starting to converge just above the zero line. I will wait for a bearish confirmation. There, a bearish engulfing candle right in resistance with a MACD crossover pointing down. I'm entering a down trade. Why this setup? A MACD crossover downward above zero, rejection from resistance confirmed by a strong candle, EMA starting to tilt down with move. The trade closes in profit. That's what I mean when I say let the market show you the way. Switching to United States dollar and franc, the price is consolidating near a support zone with MACD lines tightening below zero, and I'm watching carefully. Here comes a bullish candle, MACD crosses upward right below the zero line, solid signal. I'm entering an up trade. Why now? Bullish MACD crossover at support, strong green candle for confirmation, EMA curving up slightly. The trade closes in profit, patience, discipline. That's the combination I trust. Fifth trade, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Let's finish this block with Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. MACD shows a bullish crossover forming just as the price breaks above a key resistance level. EMA turning slightly upwards, a good sign. I will give it a second. And there it is, a strong bullish candle closing above the level. And I'm entering an up trade. Why this trade? Because bullish MACD crossover with price breakout, EMA confirming the shift in momentum, clean break of resistance levels, and the trade closes in profit. That's 5 trades, 5 wins in a row, all by following simple rules and not forcing the market. So 6th trade, Australian dollar, United States dollar. Let's check this pair. The price is moving steadily upward and I spot a bullish MACD crossover forming. Looks like a decent entry point. I will take an up trade. But right after the entry, the price starts to pull back sharply. MACD still holds, but this moment wasn't expected. The trade closes in loss. It happens. Sometimes even the right signal comes at the wrong moment. That's part of trading. Our 7th grade, Great British Pound, United States dollar. Switching to this pair again. A MACD crossover appears right above the local support zone. I'm thinking this could be a bounce opportunity and I will go for an up trade. But right after the price drops below the support, forming a strong red candle, I guess this was a full signal. Trade closes in loss, unfortunately. That's why risk management matters. Losses happen and we move forward stronger. That's the end of today's trading session, guys. We have seen both sides of the market, confident wins and tough losses. And this is exactly what real trading looks like. We started strong with 5 consecutive profitable trades, each backed by clear confirmation and following the strategy. Then we faced a couple of losing trades, and yes, they stung, but that's a normal part of the journey. The key is not to let losers shake your confidence. No strategy is perfect, even the best setups can fail. But if you stay disciplined, follow your system, and manage your risks, you will come out ahead in the long run. What matters most is learning from each trade, both winning and losing, and always focusing on the bigger picture. If this video gave you a realistic view of trading, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to join my Telegram community where over 70,000 traders share results, strategies, and daily signals. The link is waiting for you in the pinned comment and in the description below. Thanks for staying with me until the end. I will see you in the next session. Let's keep growing together, guys.